Hello everyone, welcome to NA Vision TV. Today we will experience a corn harvest in a large field in Germany. As you know, corn is one of the most important crops in the world, widely used as food, animal feed, and industrial raw materials. Originating from Central and South America, corn has been cultivated and bred by humans for thousands of years. Today, corn is not only an important part of the diet of many peoples, but also a major ingredient in the production of ethanol, an important biofuel. Stable and growing corn production helps ensure food security and economic support for many countries. Look, can you guess what this monster is? This is a Fendt 1050 Vario tractor, equipped with a front weight of 1.2 tons and front tires 665ths R38, rear tires 688ths R42. With a total weight of 20.1 tons, this tractor is ready for duty. Along with the powerful tractor above are 10 HW80 trailers with a payload of 60.5 tons, forming a 91 m long convoy with a total weight of 118 tons, ready to transport corn from the field to the warehouse. Oh, it looks like a giant python that can swallow the whole cornfield. Have you ever seen this? Comment below. Harvesting begins with the smooth coordination between the tractor and the cart. The corn is harvested quickly and efficiently. Under the condition of wet corn, after rain and the stored dry matter, TS content is 45%. Each hectare of corn yields 48 tons. With the above data, we can calculate that in today's harvest, an area of 26 hectares has yielded a total of 60.48 tons of corn, equivalent to the load of the tractor. What a clever calculation of the farmer, right? To calculate the maximum efficiency when using machinery, farmers use this formula to make it an easy job, and you can do it too. After harvesting, corn is transported to the warehouse for processing and storage. From here, the corn kernels continue their journey, becoming an important food source for both humans and animals. Thank you for following our corn harvest journey. This is the result of the tireless efforts of farmers and modern technology. See you again in the next video.